अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, हेयर आई एम वंस अगेन। और आज मैं आप लोगों को एक ऐसी जगह का विज़िट करवाने लगा हूँ जो ये 4 बच्चों ने मिलके इसको बनाया है। और दिस इज़ ए कंप्लीट जिम इन ऑल रिस्पेक्ट, और इसका नाम है आयरन बॉक्स। और ये पूरे का पूरा प्लाज़ा 37CC DHA फेज़ 6 कमर्शियल के अंदर है। और असफंजायार, सालार, मुर्तज़ा, शहरयार, दे आर दी 4 मेन पर्सन ऑफ दिस जिम। और मैं अभी इनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, असफंजायार, यू विल टेक अस अलोंग और यू विल ब्रीफ अस दैट हाउ यू आर डूइंग दिस एंड व्हाट all this thing
let's get into it.
Which seems to be a very beautiful place.
We're located in DHA Phase 6.
Yep.
Our plaza number is 37CC.
CC.
And we're the only gym in this area that has a whole building.
Perfect.
From the basement se leke top floor tak, we have the facilities ready to go.
Okay.
When you enter our gym, you're going to see our coffee bar. You're going to see our reception.
Achha, mashallah, you have made the coffee bar.
Yes.
And reception for all the
entries and exits. Any query that anyone has, they're going to go to the reception.
Okay.
And हमने ground floor को इस तरीके से utilize किया कि usually misuse होता है.
Perfect.
We put recovery and a children's play area right in the back.
अच्छा, तो you all are the mashallah. ये मतलब
Yeah, go ahead.
I just want to show people कि भी mashallah देखें how this gym has started.
So all 4 of us were athletes, and ये athletic facility by athletes.
Okay, बेटा.
So we have our children's play area here.
Okay.
So थोड़ा सा बनाया हुआ है कि डे केयर उस तरीके से. And then अभी we have our offices and a cold plunge over here. It's being set up, so I don't want to show you that part. I'll send you a video clip of it once it's done. It's looking beautiful.
Okay.
So on every floor we have a toilet and a pantry. कि ये distribution ही आपको होगी कि आप कौन से floor
अच्छा, मतलब आपने टॉयलेट जो है वो हर एक फ्लोर पे
और अगर आप देखेंगे everything is hands free. Hands free dispenser, hands free water dispenser, and even here.
Perfect.
और हमारा entry पे अगर आप देखेंगे, we have a proprietary login, which is Face ID, fingerprint, and palm ID. So
Okay.
no one can enter the gym who isn't a part of the gym.
Now we are going to the basement.
Yes. So we're going to the crucible, which is the dungeon, where all the heavy lifting happens. All the power lifters, crossfitters, Olympic lifters, सारे आपको नीचे मिलेंगे. और अगर आप ये देखें, welcome to my crib.
Mashallah, very good.
आ जाए मतलब.
Perfect. अच्छा जी, तो what all is here?
So we've got fully equipped power racks which are bolted to the floor. We have competition barbells for every sport you can find. ये competition powerlifting rack भी हमने install कराया हुआ है.
ठीक है.
And we have calibrated plates, power bars, everything you can think of and more.
माशाल्लाह.
और हमारी एक फिलॉसफी है कि अगर किसी चीज़ की गुंजाइश हमें नज़र आती है या हमारे क्लाइंट को नज़र आती है तो दूसरी दफ़ा नहीं आनी चाहिए.
Perfect.
So we have hex dumbbells for CrossFit and compound variation in the basement, but we've kept it different throughout the floor. अभी आप bumper plates देख रहे हैं, ये देखें ऊपर जाके body building style हो जाएगा. So the higher we go, the more machines, and even the dumbbell will change.
Okay.
एक आप छोटी सी चीज देखेंगे तो हमने ground, like all the demarcations of the floors are like a weight stack on a machine.
Okay.
This was an idea that our CEO Murtala found, and it just stuck with all of us instantly.
So this is mezzanine.
This is mezzanine. We have locker rooms and saunas for male and female separately.
अच्छा, ये locker room है for the female.
Females, yes. So there's a vanity, there's a sauna, there's a toilet, shower, and changing room.
Okay, and this is for the
This is for the men's,
men.
and the reason it's so big is to avoid guys getting shirtless on the gym floor. It's a family gym.
Well, all the lockers are there.
All the lockers, and then you have opposing mirror 1. You have opposing mirror number 2.
Mashallah, good.
So having it segregated from the gym, apna sauna, apna changing room, apna shower.
This is
Sauna for the men.
sauna and
So this is changing room.
changing room and the
Toilet and shower.
toilet and shower. Perfect.
From this floor forward, our CEO Murtaza is going to take the charge.
Okay, Murtala, now it's your turn.
So the first floor, this is all about upper body.
Okay.
The name is Sculpt Hall.
Okay. Sorry, I'm making the video, I hope.
So all the floors have this cardio section.
Okay.
first, second, third, and then other strength equipment is आपका upper body complete है, excluding the back. So we made this division so that space सबको equally मिल सकती हो. And
Okay.
this is our free weight area.
ठीक. Okay. Perfect. So ये जनाब सारा इक्विपमेंट है और माशाल्लाह they have planned it beautifully. और मेन चीज़ है जी माशाल्लाह देखिए बाहर से व्यू और all the main hub. This is gonna be one of the best place for the youngsters to come here and enjoy the gym facilities and all the facilities.
Whatever is easy.
Murtaza,
Yes, sir.
let's go up.
कमाल करते हैं आप।
So
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is our power floor.
Okay,
It has legs and back.
legs and back.
Extensive leg machines.
Okay.
We have back squat, pendulum squat, isolated leg press, calf raise, horizontal leg press, we have leg curl extension, anything you can imagine about leg exercise.
Okay,
उसके बाद we have back. तो back की ये extensive machinery चल रही है, which has one of a kind T-bar plus bend over rope.
okay, perfect.
And in this section we have glutes, which has glute kick.
Sorry. अच्छा.
In this section we have glute, so glute kick and hip thrust, and we do have adduction abduction combo.
Okay,
And again the same cardio with the view.
perfect, perfect, perfect. And beautiful view. Okay, let's move up. Salar and Murtaza, thank you very much for such a beautiful arrangement and such a beautiful, complete gym in all respect. और मैं तमाम व्यूअर्स को कहूँगा जो यहाँ पर नज़दीक एरिया में हैं, DHA फेज़ 6 हो गया, 7 हो गया, 8 हो गया और उसके अलावा जो है 5 वाले आ सकते हैं, 4 वाले आ सकते हैं. मतलब दिस इज़ ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस फॉर दी जिम फ्रीक पर्सनस, ख़ास करके जो न्यू लॉट है और मेरी तरह के बूढ़े बंदे भी आ सकते हैं यहाँ पर टू एंजॉय द जिम फैसिलिटी बिकॉज द फैसिलिटीज़ दे हैव मेड द बेस्ट इक्विपमेंट अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, दे हैव प्लेस्ड इट. और माशाल्लाह इनका जो जिम है उसमें जो क्रीम लॉट आ रही है वो भी बेहतरीन है और जो इनके रेट्स हैं वो भी मैंने चेक किया है, दे आर नॉमिनल. I'll not name it. If you come here, so you can get the details from them. So viewers, this was all my visit today to the Iron Box for all you guys who want to join this. Best of luck.